There are multiple ways you can style an element on HTML and CSS. One of them is on HTML. You can declare an attribute called style and you put your styles there. Or you could give that element a class or an ID and then you style that element on your CSS. And depending on the method you choose, there are different specificity. So, for example, the biggest one would be the inline styling, which has a value of 1000. So when you style an element using a style attribute, this is the biggest specificity. If that same element is styled using a class on your CSS, then the one with the style attribute overcomes the one with the class attribute. And this adds up. So for example, if you select an element using an ID and then specifying which element you are styling, then you have 100 for the ID and 1 for selecting the element. So the total specificity here would be 101, which would be bigger than if you selected the element only using the ID. So that's how specificity works on HTML and CSS.